Morning, it's Sunday, and after a late breakfast we're going to the RHS Gardens in Harlow Carr, which is only a couple of miles away, and there's a Betty's there as well as some lovely gardens to look at. So we'll see you there. I'll see you at breakfast. I've got cornflakes this morning with a fruit salad on top. Christine's got frosties, but I nicked the last cornflake. We've arrived at the Harlow Carr car park. We're just going to find out the entrance arrangements. Christine's found a friend. Sycamore.
Helicopters.
As Christine says, helicopters. It's a Mad Hatter's tea party, but no sign of the Mad Hatter. Very nice looking cakes, obviously courtesy of Betty's. Christine is the Mad Hatter. Oh, your feet do reach to the floor.
They do actually just.
It's a blue Christmas tree. We're queuing for the tea house, the Betty's Tea House, which is a shorter queue than the cafe restaurant. I'm sat at a table, Christine's in the queue. Christine's just arrived. We've got the tea and coffee. We've exited via the plant shop, and the car park is just up here, so we're heading back to the car now. Christine has got slow cooked belly pork, and I've got a grilled salmon fillet. I've got a cheesecake with a raspberry and cream. Christine has a chocolate eaten mess. It's amazing.